we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of TARKARI wireless induction speaker, multifunctional Bluetooth speaker with phone stand and RGB light, HD surround sound. Consists of the following features. Wireless induction Bluetooth speaker, no Bluetooth pairing needed, just place your phone on the speaker to instantly amplify sound. Built-in induction sensor makes operation seamless, remove your phone to immediately stop the sound. It saves you from the hassle of repeatedly turning Bluetooth on and off, especially when your hands are occupied, like during showering, cooking, or when someone interrupts. Perfect for quick sound control in bathrooms, kitchens, counters, or study rooms. Cell phone stand with wireless Bluetooth speaker. This upgraded cell phone holder combines a wireless induction speaker, which doubles as an induction speaker for iPhone, Bluetooth 5.3, an adjustable phone stand, and an RGB light show, all in one sleek unit. Whether you're cooking, baking, showering, driving, taking video calls, or working in a loud setting, enjoy hands-free operation and crystal clear sound. Versatile, easy-to-use daily companion for any room. Bluetooth speaker with RGB ambient lighting. This multifunctional Bluetooth speaker integrates a wireless induction speaker, adjustable stand, and 7-color RGB ambient lighting. Create personalized atmospheres for parties, movies, or relaxation, and easily toggle off the lights via the M button when not needed. The widened anti-slip base and silicone grooves ensure device stability during use. 360 degrees adjustable stand for ultimate comfort. Easily find the best angle with the 360 degrees rotatable phone stand, reducing neck and back strain while watching, working, or relaxing. Designed with ergonomic comfort and hands-free convenience in mind, this stylish desk phone stand speaker is a practical tech gift for moms, dads, seniors, and gadget lovers alike. Versatile gift for all occasions. The TARKARI wireless induction Bluetooth speaker is a practical and stylish gift ideal for Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, holidays, Valentine's Day, white elephant exchanges, or anniversaries. Whether used at home, at work, while traveling, or in everyday life, it serves as a thoughtful companion for men, women, parents, spouses, and anyone seeking convenience. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.